Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this. Also, feel free to share my videos with those you think might enjoy them. Like Mom, Dad, your brother, your sister. I'm an abstract artist, and here you will see Now, it might be over here, or it might be over there. But my face is gonna pop out at you, and if you click on my nose, well, you'll be subscribed to my future vid. And that's all, folks. Hey, it's Dawn. Thank you so much for tuning in today. There's a bunch of links there, or you can go to www. I can't remember my own website. There, it's Dawn from Indigo Bohemian Art. And today I have, what do I have? Thank you so much for watching today. I put out videos every Monday and Friday. Forgot what day of the week it was. Hey, welcome to it. And maybe even entertaining, because art is messy. What can you do? Art is messy. You just gotta go with the flow. So why don't you hit like, subscribe, stay, see what I have to offer. Hoping to encourage you to jump into that creative streak that you have. Go out and make some art. Hi. And before you go, could you click like? Every time you click like, you save a baby unicorn. If you click like, a magic fairy will come and give you a painting. Well, no. Now, before you leave, can you just click like down there? You know, it encourages a starving artist to keep on going, to persevere, to keep doing art. Well, not that I need your approval, but you know, it'd be nice. I do art demonstrations of abstract art, usually acrylic pour paintings, and I do them all the time, so come and see them. Why do you want to check out my channel? Because I do art, lovely art, fluid art, beautiful art. Thank you so much for watching today. Please click surprise. Please click surprise. Surprise.